John Jay looks like he had a blast. Speaking of blast, here's the Intense 5. Congrats to Miss Kitty! She wed her longtime beau in a very private ceremony last Saturday. She looked really nice and we see you, Tada! Big congrats to Taros, Marcia and Wayne, who received awards at King's House recently. Taros says he's speechless. Aww! So Will Smith has finally responded to everything Jada has been talking about. He says that he has achieved everything he's ever wanted, and he basically thanks Jada for her sacrifices and he'll always be there for her. How nice. Woohoo! What do TJ and Davido have up their sleeves? I can't wait to hear. And finally holding the spot this week, Ramesh received a lot of backlash after posting his job fair with a $1,000 entry fee. He basically said, if you have a problem with it, don't turn up. Okay. Well, that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment. Up next, Java is the next big thing. We'll soon find out.